Please stand for our opening prayer. Sir, please lead the prayer.
Make all signs of the cross. Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you.
Please be seated.
Thank you, teacher.
May I know who is absent this morning?
None, teacher.
Do we have an assignment?
None, teacher.
Okay, before we start our new lesson, I have here a classroom standard that you need to follow. Please read, class.
During the classroom discussion, everyone are expected to cooperate and participate. Please raise your right hand if you want to answer. Avoid getting in and out during the classroom discussions. Avoid talking with your sickness. If you have clarification, please approach your teacher directly.
Okay, thank you. I have here pictures. All you have to do is identify this, observe this. Mark, please.
There's a scroll, teacher. The scroll, body, wings, and the liver.
Very good. The object is pulley, well and axle, screw, wedge, engine, and lever. I have here a video, but before we start our video, I will group you into three groups. This is group 1, group 2, and group 3. This is the question of each group. Group 1, please read.
What is simple machine? What is lever? What is switch?
What is wheel and axle? What is screw? What is pulley?
Materials. Please observe the video.
What is a pulley? Sometimes it is not easy to lift heavy objects with only human force. This problem can be fixed with the help of a simple machine like a pulley. What is a pulley? A basic pulley comprises of a wheel on a fixed axle with a groove along the edges to guide a rope or a cable. The load is the weight of an object, and the effort the amount of force required to lift or move this object. When you put two or more wheels together and run a rope around them, you have created a great lifting machine. As you add more pulleys, you increase your mechanical advantage and it becomes very easy to lift the same load. The trade-off is that as you increase the number of pulleys, you require a greater amount of rope to achieve the same result. Hence, by decreasing the effort needed to lift the load, you have to apply the force for a longer period of time.
Are you done, class?
The wheel and
Yes,
axle.
teacher.
Okay, please.
When we have to move a real heavy load, we have to use a great deal of force.
And select representative of every group. Group 1.
So, for the group 1, what is simple machine? Simple machine is the basic mechanical device for applying force. Number 2, what is lever? Lever is a simple machine consisting of a beam or Big road, pivot, atas. Fix, fence, or fulcrum.
Thank you. Group 2.
What is winch? Winch is a simple machine that consists of two inclined planes situated back to back. What is wheel and axle? Wheel and axle is a simple machine consisting of a wheel attached to a similar axle.
Thank you. Group 3. Please select representative.
What is screw? Screw is used to join links together being rotating. What is pulley? Pulley consists of a rope or wire one round a wheel.
Okay, thank you. Now, who have an idea what was our topic this morning? Gandalon?
I think our topic this morning is all about simple machines.
Very good. Our topic this morning is simple machine. Before we tackle our topic this morning, I have here our objectives. Please read class.
Given the materials and objectives, the physics pupils are expected to do the following with at least 75% level of accuracy. Explain the kinds of characteristics of simple machines. Classify the different kinds of simple machine and state the importance of simple machine.
Okay, thank you class. What is simple machine? Marcel?
Simple machine is a basic mechanical device for applying a force.
Thank you. Simple machine is any of the basic mechanical device for applying a force. What are the different kind of simple machine? Gandalon?
Different kinds of simple machine are wheel and axle lever, inclined plane, pulley, screw, and winch.
Thank you. There is different kind of simple machine. What is machine that you see in the picture? Oscar? Thank you. What do you call like these pictures? Oscar? Can you describe a lever? Maricel?
Lever is a simple machine consisting of a pin or rigid rod pivoted at a fixed edge or fulcrum.
A lever is a simple machine consisting of a beam and rigid rod, pivot and fixed hang and fulcrum. Can you give other samples machine that with object and fulcrum? Mark?
The other simple machines are lever scale, scissor, and needle cutters.
Okay, thank you. How about this one? What simple machine is this? This one, what is simple machine? Mark?
A pulley teacher.
Okay, thank you. Can you give me a characteristic of pulley? You can give me. Gandalon?
Pulley consists of a rope or wire wound around a wheel.
Okay, characteristic of pulley is consist of rope or wire wound around a wheel. Are there other example machine? This is the other sample of machine. And this and this. Will you give name this picture? Scar. Okay, thank you. How do you describe inclined plane? Visualize?
Inclined plane is a simple machine consisting of a sloping surface used for raising heavy bodies.
Thank you. inclined plane, a simple machine consisting of a sloping surface used for raising heavy bodies. For force required to move an object of the incline is less than the weight being raised, discounting friction. Can you give me sample of machine with sloping angle? Mark?
An example of an inclined plane is the ram because it is sloping surface that is working against gravity.
Okay. An example of inclined planes is a ramp because it is a sloping surface that working against gravity. Another, what is this? Scott?
Environment, sir.
Okay, thank you. What type of machine is this? Nilalon?
Wheel and axle.
Okay, thank you. The type of machine is this is wheel and axle. Can you describe wheel and axle, Marcel?
The wheel and axle is a simple machine consisting of a wheel attached to the smaller axle so that these two parts rotate together in which a force is transferred from one to another.
Thank you. The wheel and axle is a simple machine consisting of a wheel attached to a smaller axle so that these two parts rotate together in which a force is transferred from one to other. This picture, what type of simple machine is this? Mark,
A screw, teacher.
how will you describe?
A screw is used to join things together being rotated.
Screw is short, slender, sharp point, metal pen with a raised helical thread running around a slanted head. Used to join things together by being rotated so that its purses wood or other material and is held tightly in place. What picture is you see in the picture?
Ping pong.
Wood. Can you give me a characteristic? Scott?
A machine with a wall inclined plane that is used to push objects apart.
Okay, thank you. A machine with double inclined plane that you use to push two objects apart. Can you give other example of machine? Maricel?
The example of machines are knife, chisel, and axes.
Do you think sample machine is important?
Yes.
Maricel?
Yes, simple machines are important because they help humans to make easier and to make faster if they are going to have work.
Okay, simple machines are useful because they are reduce effort or extend the ability of people to perform tasks beyond their normal capabilities. How simple machine help easier? How simple machine help easier? Mark?
Simple machines work easier are useful because they reduce effort, extend ability of people to perform tasks beyond their normal capabilities.
Now since you already know our topic this morning, I have here individual activity. Please read the direction class.
Put
What
a
a
check
check
which
which
corresponds to its
clarification.
clarification.
First one, what is simple machine is used?
Blackboard.
Holy. Enlightening picture.
The drill bit.
Bridge.
And the doorknob. What simple class? Oscar?
This day I learned about simple machine, teacher.
Thank you. What are the different type of simple machine? Ricolin?
The different type of simple machine are lever, wheel and axle, screw and pulley.
Now, since you already know our topic this morning, please get a 1/4 sheet of paper and answer this following question. Please read the direction, class.
Read carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer.
Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you for teaching us today. God bless us.